Some say that stock market investment is an art. Some say that it's science. The beauty of Kundan sir's course is that it teaches you both art and science of it. Now the approach is that it's whole two part. So first big picture is given and then each topic is discussed in detail. Now it takes you one step further through hand holding in live market. So there is option for you to get help on live market as well. What else one wants?
Hi, this is Nirupama here from Chennai. I'm here to share my experiences on the advanced option trading course. I always had a great interest into trading and I wanted to become a successful trader, but then the myths surrounding the trading world always held me back. I was really scary to enter into the market. Accidentally, I came across the complete course on stock market and I enrolled into it. The information and the inputs and the nuances I got from the course helped me to progress further into the option trading course. At this juncture, I really thank Mr. Kundan Kishore and team for supporting us to walk through the course. The knowledge they provided, the platform was really great, and the course is really amazing. Today, I've started my paper trade, and I'm really honestly tell the course is amazing. Thank you, team.
हे गाइस, मेरा नाम हरिओम मन्नर है और मैं फ़िलहाल इंडियन ऑयल में एज ऑफिसर पोस्टेड हूँ। इस छोटे से वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहूँगा जो मेरा कुंदन सर के साथ पिछले 2-4 महीनों से रहा। व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग, मुझे या मेरे साथ और भी जिन लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया था, जो बेसिक्स हैं उस जानकारी में सब लोग सेम स्तर पे नहीं थे। तो कुंदन सर एंड हिज टीम इंश्योर्ड कि चाहे कितनी भी क्लासेस लेनी पड़े, कितने भी डाउट सेशंस लेने पड़े, ईच वन ऑफ us were on the same page. उन्होंने असाइनमेंट्स दिए, टेस्ट लिया एंड दे इंश्योर्ड कि सब लोग सेम जगह पे रहें। इट्स नॉट कि जस्ट हमने बता दिया एंड आपको समझना है समझो, नहीं समझना है नहीं समझो। सेकेंड थिंग, जो कंटेंट था, ईच एंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ ऑप्शंस ट्रेडिंग वाज एक्सप्लेन्ड इन वेरी डिटेल। किन किन चीज़ों पे प्राइसिंग डिपेंड करती है, वो कैसे वेरी करते हैं, स्ट्राइक प्राइस वेरी करने से क्या होता है, टाइम वेरी करने से क्या होता है, वॉलेटिलिटी वेरी करने से क्या होता है। ईच एंड एवरी कंसेप्ट वाज एक्सप्लेन्ड इन डिटेल। थर्ड थिंग, सिक्वेंशियली हम लोगों को ऊपर लाते गए। लाइक पहले हमने बेसिक सीखा, फिर हमने कंसेप्ट्स का डिटेल सीखा, फिर कैसे स्ट्रेटजी को बनाना है, कौन सी स्ट्राइक प्राइस सेलेक्ट करनी है, कब करनी है, किस कारण से करनी है, वो हम लोग इंडिपेंडेंट होकर के सीखते गए, किसी पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहना पड़ा। फोर्थ थिंग, जब एग्जीक्यूशन का टाइम आया तो सीख तो बहुत लोग जाते हैं बट एग्जीक्यूट करने में दिक्कत आती है। तो उसके लिए हम सबके पास हमेशा को इंस्ट्रक्टर्स थे जो हमारी हर एक छोटी से छोटी डाउट को संभालते थे एंड दे रिस्पॉन्डेड वेरी क्विकली। एट ईच स्टेज वी गॉट एक्सटर्नल हेल्प एंड आज के डेट में आई कैन प्राउडफुली से आई एम ए प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेडर। एंड लास्ट नोट बट लिस्ट, जो कनेक्शन है हमारा, जो बॉन्डिंग है हमारा इस टीम के साथ, तो कोर्स भी ख़त्म नहीं होता और वो बॉन्डिंग भी हमेशा बनी रहती है। इट्स लाइक यू आर सब्सक्राइबिंग ए लाइफ टाइम सब्सक्रिप्शन काइंड ऑफ थिंग। सो इन शॉर्ट, द कंटेंट, द फ्लुएंसी, द एक्यूरेसी, द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, एवरीथिंग वॉज एट पीक एंड पिनाकल। सो कम एंड जॉइन आवर फैमिली। मैं थोड़ा स्पिरिचुअल बैकग्राउंड से भी हूँ, तो आई हैव हर्ड दैट a disciple or a student does not chooses its guru or teacher. When the right time comes, a teacher or a guru itself chooses the student. It's you now. All the best.
Hi friends, my name is Ajay and I've been associated with Kundan sir for last 2 years. I've been in market for a couple of years and did some trading by my own, looking at the videos online and did some technical analysis stuff. But at the end of the day, it was not very convincing and I was not making much profit from the market. And then I encountered this course from Kundan sir on Indian stock market, very wonderful course. Went through it and it was explained very simple and an effective way that any layman can understand easily about how the market dynamics work, especially in India. So, and subsequently I also got the opportunity to take his other course on options trading, which launched, and amazing support by his team. We had one-to-one support and all the doubts, queries were resolved very promptly. And after doing this, I can now say that I make consistent profits and I know how to take calculated risks in the market. Friends, I suggest those who are looking for such to learn this amazing opportunity, you can join this course. And I not only learning but getting to associate with Kundan sir. He's a great mentor, and definitely you will gain much from his wisdoms and from his insights. Go ahead, join this course. Thank you.
As a learner, the best part of being associated with Kundan sir and his team of co-instructors in the Advanced Options Trading course is the continuous guidance and hand-holding during the entire learning process. The curriculum and teaching method is well defined, and it took me from a complete beginner with zero knowledge in options to a point where I can understand and fluently interpret how options work in just a matter of weeks. A big importance in the curriculum is given to why options work the way they work. We learned many tools and technicalities about options trading, and that helped us take data-driven decisions and formulate our strategies rather than simply gambling in the market. The basics are so well taught and clearly explained with examples and repeated as many times as required by learners that it becomes crystal clear, and with the right learning mindset, it really becomes very easy to grasp the advanced concepts on options trading. This intense learning phase is aligned with practical paper trades and live classes with Kundan sir and his team, which really helps in retaining the knowledge and gaining experience from the live market. The co-instructors are always ready to help, and they are really just one text message away from a one-on-one connect. For me, the absolute gain here is financial literacy. From day one, the learning program is aligned with the idea of being market neutral and not letting sentiments play any role in taking decisions. We learned about how the market microstructure works, and most importantly, how not to lose money gambling in the market. Whether an investor, a trader, or a speculator, I think there is always something for everyone in this course, and I really thank Kundan sir and his team for all the knowledge and wisdom that they have shared with us. Thank you.
Hi, I am Abhishek. I'm Kundan sir's student of options course, and I have joined the course 3 months back. And this course helped me very much in building the required mindset for trading and why being an option seller and all. And this course also explained how we can use historical data and and place our trades and various strategies such as iron condor and short straddle and all. And this is mostly based on historical data and analysis and the probability concepts. And the course is like every week where there would be a live lecture and the co-instructor would be assigned to you, and you can approach the co-instructor at any point of time and he would be clearing your doubts. And the co-instructor assigned for me was Aditya, and he was very helpful all the time. And this course is for students who are more interested, students or professionals, whoever is more interested in making passive income, a regular safe passive income. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, I'm Sumit Goel. I've joined a course with Kundan Kishore on advanced options trading. I joined this course with a lot of hesitations, but the after joining the course, I find it value for money and the kind of live classes that we have every day. It is very, very helpful for us. And thanks to our co-instructors who are making such an effort to be online with us every evening. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Gopesh Shah and I am from Tripura, that is Northeast India. I am currently doing trading and distribution business in my hometown. That is my part. And the stock market has been fascinating me since long, and I am searching for right person from whom I can gather some knowledge and enter into the market. So here I found out one very knowledgeable person, that is Kundan Kishore sir, and it's been 1 year. I did 3 courses from him and his entire team. First course I have learned from his is a complete course on Indian stock market, and then I did pair trading course, and I say that is on statistical arbitrage kind of a thing. And after that I joined his advanced options trading courses. And the moment you enrolled in that course, one co-instructor will be assigned to you, and he will handle you unless and until you will be master on few strategies. And I'm doing since last 6 months, and I must say I'm in a profitable situation now, and that is the reason I urge each and everyone to come and join this course and learn from some ethical and knowledgeable kind of team, and as well as Kundan sir. Thank you.
Hi, I am Amit Jain, Indore location. I just wanted to share a quick note that you guys are doing a great job. I am glad I decided to enroll in your course. It's really great how course coordinator, course co-instructor and Kundan sir help us to understand future and options in an easy way. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Hi, this is Bhavani. In 2020, I thought of entering into stock market. At that time, I had a lot of questions regarding stock market and was not able to get an answer to most of the questions. Then I thought of joining a course. While browsing, I found that most of my questions were in Kundan sir's course description. I joined the course. After a few months, I started investing. Then I saw that Kundan sir launched a course on options. I don't know anything about options at that time. I don't know even the definition of options. I believed only in Kundan sir and joined the course. Kundan sir gave us 2 months of theoretical knowledge, and then he told us to do 1 month of paper trade and then to enter into live trade. As soon as I joined the course, I was assigned to a co-instructor. The co-instructors are awesome. They reply us instantly and they make sure that all our queries are cleared. They work 24/7. After completing the paper trade, I was very afraid to enter into live trade. Only because of my co-instructor, I am into live trade right now. Kundan sir makes sure that all his students gets clear with the concept. He doesn't leave us after assigning to a co-instructor. And as I already said, I don't know anything about options. But now I am into live trade only because of Kundan sir. I am happy to share my feedback. I take this as an opportunity to thank Kundan sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone. Creating this video to thank Kundan sir for his options course. So in this course he covers options basics, strategy creation, strategy execution, trade management, and conceptually everything related to options. Another beautiful thing about this course is you get co-instructor assigned to you as soon as you enroll for the course, and they help you like in your learning journey as well as trade execution in live market. So that helps you build your conviction on your strategies, and you get that extra sort of confidence. So I would recommend this course for almost everyone. Like if you are a full-time working professional, still you can get benefited with some of the strategies which you can execute in the market with your limited involvement, and you can still earn good profit. If you are a full-time trader, still I would suggest you can go for this course, and you will definitely get to learn new things, and also you can fine-tune your strategies. And almost everybody who is interested to learn options. So again, thanks everyone, and thanks to Kundan's team especially, and those who have enrolled. Happy learning. I'm sure you will have a wonderful journey in options learning with Kundan sir and his team. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. I am Niranjan Kolle from Pune. As a newcomer in option trading, I was eagerly searching for an authentic program which can build a strong foundation of option trading theory, as well as handhold me till I buy or sell options in the live market and obviously make the profit. While searching for such course on internet, I came across Kundan sir's advanced course in option trading. The course joining experience was highly professional. The lucid language and point-to-point guidance given by Kundan sir and his team is best to understand the basics of option trading. Though this is advanced option trading course, there are few live sessions where all basic terminologies and applications of options are explained in the details. The best parts of this course are there is a live session every day where we can ask basic questions and get answers from Kundan sir or his team members. They will repeat the answers till all doubts are clear. There is an individual co-instructor assigned to everyone who joins this class, and he handholds throughout the course and help to apply the theory in practical option trading. There is a mobile app which is well designed to attend the course modules as per correct sequence for better understanding and flexibility to attend the modules at a convenient time. There are WhatsApp and Telegram groups where all batchmates can collaborate with Kundan sir and co-instructors, and his team resolve any questions that are raised on this group. These groups are well administered so that only relevant discussions on option trading are posted. Kundan sir and all his co-instructors are easily accessible to discuss any doubt while observing live market. Overall, I am highly satisfied with the course content and preparing myself to earn good amount of money through option trading.
Everyone, my name is Ramesh. I'm a mechanical engineer into insurance field, and I've taken a sabbatical break from my profession, and I'm an NRI basically for the last more than 2 decades. I was looking out for a change of career and glanced at this stock market, what I can do, and I came across the advanced options course by Kundan Kishore company. This is a fantastic course and nicely spaced out in a few modules, starting from the basics, explaining the need for the options, the business needs, how an import-export business people, how the individual stock-specific or the portfolio-specific people require a hedging when the market falls, or the retailers or the institutional guys, how the requirement varies. All these things are addressed, and this helps us to make a choice. And in the second module, they express about Greek's options Greek, which gives the fundamental details on how the premium actually varies with respect to the various parameters from the day one till the date of expiry of the options. So this gives you a perfect idea on the probabilistic view on the how the thing goes for a profit range or not, the premium, that the strike price what you choose. So these things really matter for everyone to get an holistic understanding. And Mr. Kundan Kishore himself is a veteran. He has excellent trained faculties who all mathematically, statistically, probabilistically provide these details to the fullest satisfaction. They take people in batches. It's a mixture of people who started recently and people with at least 15-20 days old, and is the repeat sessions. There is a bit of assignments to do and doubt sessions, which all takes the thing forward, and there is a WhatsApp group also to clarify all your doubts. So whichever category you belong to, be it a housewife or a person, a sabbatical was like me, or somebody who lost a job or a student, all can benefit by this course. And they teach a lot of market strategies, especially the iron counter strategies, the market neutral strategy, so which is less risky one, and you can make a career. And also they teach a lot of business ethics, in the sense they tell you not to speculate but to earn it as a bit of a business. So that is where we come from, and they give the details on the options buying and the pros and cons, options selling, pros and cons, and leave the matter to you, and to make a choice on how you want to go about it. And I got benefited really by the holistic details on this entire aspects, and they give a macro micro market details as well, so you get an overall view about the market and options. And now I'm doing a paper trading. Hopefully within 3 to 6 months I'll be a full-fledged trader or investor as far as option selling is concerned. And as I said, this is priced only at 7,000 rupees. Is a conservative, and you get a lifelong module of information. Along with it, there is another course, basics of stock market. If you opt for that also, 990, which I have done, you get a complete thing, because there they address from the demat opening till the you jump into the trade, what are the steps that you need to take, all those details are given. So it is a fantastic course. You are in a very good faculty, and it's a good ambience to learn. What else you need? I had gone for it. Perhaps you would also like to try for it, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello guys, I am Dr. Alok. I have enrolled for the options school from Mr. Kundan Kishore since the last 1 month. I have been associated with Kundan sir since the last 1 year, when he introduced the beginner course for stock market, and since then I have been taking all his classes. He is a very genuine person, and he teaches step by step, very methodical, and you enjoy his classes. Now since he launched the new course of options, so I thought why not learn options also. And even the options class, right from the basics, they are going very slow, and they are teaching it in detail. So I would request all of y'all, whoever is interested in options trading, also to enroll for his course. Thank you.
Hello, this is Amol, and like many people in India, I started my journey into stock market during the pandemic season. During initial YouTube learning, I came across this course by Kundan sir on complete course on Indian stock market. This particular course, it provided me insight regarding fundamental things which the investor and the trader needs to know. While going through this course, I realized that I have this fascination towards the trading aspect, and I really wanted to learn more about it. I wanted to know nitty-gritties about it in a way that I would be able to trade independently and with conviction. So at that point of time, I enrolled in this course called as Advanced Course on Options Trading. And this, I would say, is a very unique course in a sense that all the modules in this course are very uniquely designed. A lot of thought has gone into them to design each module. And what it does is it provides you an oversight from a practical as well as theoretical perspective. It helps you to develop your overall conviction and understanding with regards to the option trading. To add to that, what is also helpful is the kind of support we get during this course through Kundan sir himself or through the qualified instructors which handhold you through your entire journey. So you get to chance to interact with them whenever you are doing any trade, either paper trade or live trade in the market. You really get their inputs. So I was fortunate enough to work with the co-instructors who were part of this trading, like Aditya and Gajanan. So I would recommend this course from an overall understanding with respect to the trading aspect, especially options, in a correct way, learning it in a correct way.
Hi, I am Ankit Shah from Mumbai. So I would like to share my experience with Kundan sir and his team. So it's a wonderful bonding which we have created. Let me give you some brief about what is there basically in options learning. So I have attended almost 5 or 6 courses across the market, and everyone have a very different experience in terms of, so the teaching style is completely different for everyone. So far what I have seen in all of the lectures which I have attended, let's keep aside Kundan sir part right now, everywhere there is a workshop which is like 3 hours or a day workshop, and they have some over the recorded videos, or they do it on a live session for a one time, and they expect us to become a option masters in that. I have attended that. I did a lot of expense in terms of learning of the course. So whatever I have done, it's a learning for me. When I joined first a Kundan sir course, the experience was completely different. Actual base was clear for option, what needs to be done. After that, every time there was a helping hand through co-instructor. Sir was always available. He used to clear all concept every possible time. Even the same doubt is coming 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, doesn't matter. He used to explain it again and again till the time every learner is not clear about it. So overall, आप भी तक co-instructor का जो भी support है, whatever the way which we have learned, it's phenomenal. And what I am today learning in options is just because of Kundan sir. I'm not saying that others are bad, but I can say that Kundan sir is the best. So उनकी जो टीम का experience or maybe their understanding of options is completely way different than any other person in the market, which is my belief and my understanding, and this is my view. I'm not against of any other teacher who is teaching us the options part, but यहाँ पे जो सीखा है ना, heads off to Kundan sir. The people who wants to pursue their full-time career in share market or a trading concept, I would 100% recommend everyone to register their course. एक बार attend करो, समझो, फिर आप देखिए. और हमारे सर तो पहले से ही बोल रहे हैं, आप देखिए, अगर नहीं जमा तो फीस रिफंड लेके जाइए. So this is my best experience I have ever got it in terms of options learning, and as well as there are many other things, and as my personal bonding, which is completely different, and he is a very awesome person. Thank you Kundan sir for being there and always helping us. Thank you.
Hi, this is Shital Raj Patil. I had joined Kundan sir's advanced option course in March month. Before that, I was part of 100 Traders program. From last 6 months, I am successfully doing option trading with the help of Kundan sir and his team. If you are looking to start your journey in option trading, then I would recommend to enroll Kundan sir's advanced option course, where you will learn about basics of options as well as advanced concepts about options, and you will learn various option strategies, especially the option neutral strategies, and you will realize that why option selling is better than option buying, and why winning probability of option sellers is high comparative to option buyers. Also, we'll learn about how to do trade management, how to do risk management, money management. Also, we'll learn about behavioral finance. The teaching style of Kundan sir is very different. He explains concepts by giving real-time examples, so it will help us to understand it easily and quickly. The biggest advantage of this advanced option course is they will assign one co-instructor to you, so you can ask him your queries and doubts related to this advanced option course to him in one-on-one meetings or through WhatsApp. After completing this course, you will get 1 month time for paper trading, and Kundan sir and his team will support you, and after paper trading you can trade in live market, and your co-instructor will help in live market as well. And my learning experience was very awesome. Actually, I learned too many things in options, and also right now actually I am also exploring new option strategies with the paper trading as well as in live market trading. And if you are looking for best option advanced option course in market, then this is the right course. Okay, so that's all. Thanks Kundan sir and his team.
I am Ramakrishna from Kasaragod district, Kerala state. Recently I have to join Kundan sir's advanced option trading course. In my view, it is a best course. Their teaching methods, their formula calculations, all are best. We are able to easily understood it. Thank you.
Hi, I joined Kundan Kishore's advanced option course a few months back. His teaching style is very amiable. He assigns one-to-one co-instructor to everyone, so that if you have any query, you can ask anytime. It is very beneficial. They provide in-depth knowledge of options. Kundan sir's strategies are market neutral, so there is very limited risk. I highly recommend everyone to try his advanced option course. It has been very beneficial to me, and I hope it will for you also.
Good morning, Kundan sir. I have been intending to make this video. In fact, I was reflecting on my journey in the Indian stock market. I have been in this stock market since the last 20 years and was always investing because I knew this futures and option market, as Warren Buffett used to say, is a weapon of mass destruction, and so I always stayed away for it. Last year I enrolled in your complete course on the Indian stock market. Therein also you explained us the pitfalls of the futures and options market. You explained to us the various intricacies, how to read a company, how to read a company balance sheet, and to know the intrinsic value of a company. After that, I enrolled in your advanced course on options trading, wherein you taught us what are options, what are futures, and what are the inherent dangers, how people lose money in the first 90 days, 90% of their money. But therein, you explain to us the shortfalls or the lacunas in this option market, and how to take advantage of it. You even showed us by trading in the day trading also. You showed us positional trading also. You showed us what option buying is and the advantage of being an option writer. Option writer is not a, what do you call it, a gambler or a speculator. It is providing the market to the hedgers in the stock market. And you showed us, like, yes, option writers, the losses are unlimited, whereas the profits are limited. But at the same time, you showed us an example I'll give you of this iron condor strategy, wherein the loss are specified, defined, the maximum profit is defined, and the less capital you require for employing these strategies. So during day trading, which you showed us for a day or two, the amount of pressures, the amount of tensions a person used to have. But in case of condor, iron condor, it's a weekly or a monthly also strategy which we take. There's hardly any tension, and you ride the market, the volatility very easily. And it's like a defined fixed income which you're getting throughout the month or throughout the time. In fact, it's a heartfelt gratitude message which I wanted to convey to you. That is why I made this video in the morning today. Thank you, sir. And at the same time, I want to thank Dheeraj Gupta also, the course coordinator, who has helped me in every step of my journey. I don't know I am being able to convey my message or not, but thank you very much, Dheeraj. Thank you, Kundan sir, for all the help you have given. In fact, through this advanced course on option trading. And in fact, I have even, my wife has, that day I gave a message to you, my wife is also enrolled in the course. So that is the recommendation, like even for my own family also I am recommending it. Thank you very much, sir.
Hi, there are so many courses out there. I have attended one which was very expensive, and they told us very few things. These things I realized after joining Kundan sir's course. Even Kundan sir is very good in making understand all the things, but even co-instructors are also very good. Actually, I am one of the oldest member in this class, I think so, but they made me, I am very slow in grasping things, but all the co-instructors, Tarunji, they made me, they very calmly and politely instruct me all the things. The mantra of Kundan ji, धीरे धीरे रे मना धीरे धीरे होए, really goes with iron condor strategy, and it really works. I found the course so supportive, safe and progressive that I really like my kids to join this. At the end, I really thank to Kundan sir, तहे दिल से उनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी इतना अच्छा और शानदार कोर्स बनाने के लिए, डिज़ाइन करने के लिए. Thank you all. God bless.
Initially joined Kundan sir's complete course on the Indian stock market. Found it very useful and priceless. This is an excellent course on Indian stock market. Inspired by this course, I joined Kundan sir's advanced course on options trading. This course is designed in a way to teach options right from basics to advanced level in a simple manner with a combination of live sessions, recorded videos, doubt clearing sessions and approachable co-instructors. Co-instructors are very friendly. Irrespective of timings, they help me in clearing doubts. One-to-one hand-holding concept is very helpful. Kundan sir is a humble person, very genuine and a great teacher with a lots of patience. He goes through each and every aspect in detail at a pace anyone can understand. Finally, I am getting hope that I can be successful in the market. Thank you Kundan sir and co-instructors for all the efforts. Fortunate and feel proud to be Kundan sir's student.
Hello everyone, my name is Amit Rawat and I am one of the learner of the course offered by Kundan Kishore, that is called Advanced Course in Options Trading. Before enrolling to this course, I was not very sure that how to trade. I was always a buyer. Through this course, I got to know that how can we trade with predefined risks and predefined losses and predefined profits. And one of the best thing of this course is one-to-one hand-holding and assignments. I highly recommend this course to anyone who is interested in learning about the stock market, especially in options trading. Thank you very much.